How to use Spectrum TV. First, download and install the app. The Spectrum TV app is available for various devices including smartphones, tablets, streaming boxes, and smart TVs. Go to your device's App Store, Google Play Store for Android or Apple App Store for iOS, search for Spectrum TV and download the app. Install the app on your device. Number 2, sign in. Launch the Spectrum TV app on your device. Sign in with your Spectrum account credentials. You must already be a Spectrum subscriber to use the app. Number 3, watch TV at home. When you're at home and connected to your Spectrum internet network, you can access all the channels included in your Spectrum TV plan. The app eliminates the need for extra cable boxes, and you can use it as a cable box replacement. Number 4, customize your favorites. You can customize your favorite channels for quick access within the app. Arrange your favorite channels by preference for easy browsing. Number 5, control DVR settings. The Spectrum TV app allows you to control your DVR settings and manage your recordings. You can schedule recordings, delete recordings, and more, all from within the app. Number 6, parental control. The app offers parental control features that allow you to block content based on TV and movie rating recommendations. You can also restrict access during specific times of the day, such as school time or bedtime. Parental controls are protected by a 4-digit PIN. Watch TV on the go. When you're not connected to your home Spectrum internet network, the app's functionality is somewhat limited. Some channels, on-demand shows, and DVR recordings may not be available when you're on the go. Offline viewing. Unfortunately, the Spectrum TV app doesn't support downloading shows or movies for offline viewing. You must be connected to the internet, either your home network or another internet connection, to watch content through the app. Number 9, Spectrum TV Choice Plan. Spectrum offers a streaming-only plan called Spectrum TV Choice. With this plan, you can choose 10 a la carte cable channels, and it includes available local channels at $29.99 per month. It's an alternative to traditional cable TV package. Number 10, compatible devices. The Spectrum TV app is compatible with various devices including Amazon Kindle Fire, Android devices, Apple devices, Apple TV, Roku players, Samsung Smart TVs, and Xbox One. Installation. Installation is straightforward. Simply download the app from your device's app store, install it, and sign in with your Spectrum login. Remember that to access all the content available through your Spectrum TV plan, you need to be connected to your home Wi-Fi network. The Spectrum TV app is a valuable addition for Spectrum subscribers, offering flexibility in how and where you watch your favorite content. It's particularly useful for streaming on mobile devices and can even replace the need for additional cable boxes in your home. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.